Have you ever spent way too long scrolling through hundreds of Jira issues just to find the right one? There's a smarter way to guide users to the right issue in just a few clicks. Let's talk about it. Think about the time service agents and requesters spend just trying to pinpoint that exact epic, story or subtask to link a new request to. They often find themselves sifting through endless unfiltered lists, which can be incredibly frustrating. And in the JSM portal, customers generally don't even have a native way to pick issues themselves directly. This manual, time-consuming search doesn't just lead to inefficiencies. For some large enterprises migrating from Jira Data Center to cloud, this problem is dramatically amplified. They've often lost the powerful script-based solutions which they previously relied on to connect issue pickers via behaviors, and are now without the structured selection vital for their productivity. When you want to link an issue in native Jira, you usually click the Link Work Item button right there in the ticket. That brings up a drop-down where you pick the relationship type, plus a search bar. This bar lists all issues across your projects, and you can type in keywords or issue keys to find the one you need. Once you confirm, Jira creates that link between the two issues, and it shows up on both sides. However, native Jira lacks a built-in multi-level issue selection. This means it doesn't offer the ability to browse issues hierarchically or restrict selection by specific criteria. This is where an app like Awesome Custom Fields can really help out. It's a leading app available on the Atlassian Marketplace that significantly expands the types of fields you can use, well beyond what Jira offers out of the box. If you're coming from Jira Data Center, you might have relied on third-party apps to connect standard issue pickers via script behaviors. Well, Awesome Custom Fields Cascading Issue Picker is essentially the modern cloud-native answer to that. To fully unlock and expand the app's potential to Jira Service Management and the Customer Portal, just get the free JSM extension, also found on the Atlassian Marketplace, at no extra cost. So, how does the Cascading Issue Picker truly solve these limitations and streamline your issue linking? Well, here's a short version illustrated with Lego. Lego is always a good analogy. But let's walk through a realistic scenario within an internal JSM project. For instance, managing internal requests or project updates. Imagine an internal user from the legal team submitting a request related to a current project. As they fill out the form, they'll interact with the Cascading Issue Picker field. Immediately, the next level populates, showing only the relevant stories linked to that specific epic. They then choose a story, and the subtasks related to that story instantly appear. This smart hierarchy filtering means they quickly locate the precise work item. Once their selection is made, they simply submit the request. Upon submission, the picked issues are clearly displayed in the form view as an organized table. And for your agents, the experience is just as clear. In the agent view, all the picked issues are displayed right there in the ticket. This provides instant visibility for everyone involved, reducing manual communication and ensuring accuracy. Now that you've seen the power of the Cascading Issue Picker in action, you might be wondering about the setup. Configuring the structured selection is straightforward. You'll navigate to your Awesome Custom Fields dashboard from the Apps section in the sidebar. Here you create a new custom field and select the Cascading Issue Picker type. You'll define each level just by using JQL. Remember that while the Cascading Issue Picker excels at hierarchical linking, just as our regular Issue Picker field, it also solves other key linking limitations in Jira. For a deeper dive into its capabilities, be sure to check out our dedicated video on the Issue Picker. When you are happy with your configuration, go to the JSM tab in the dashboard, select your request type, and drag and drop your new Cascading Issue Picker field onto both the request form and the request view. You can even make it a mandatory field on the form, ensuring structured data capture every time. The Cascading Issue Picker truly cuts issue selection time, enabling hierarchy-aware linking and giving your teams instant visibility into your project structure. It helps you and your colleagues stop hunting through thousands of issues using smart filtering to find exactly what you need. And if you're coming from data center, you'll be happy to finally get that crucial structured issue selection back, helping your teams save time and reduce errors. If you'd like to explore how awesome custom fields can further enhance your Jira, feel free to check out our other tutorials or connect with us if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.